Here we have a 2014 Chevrolet Equinox. This is an LT, one owner, all-wheel drive, previous government fleet vehicle. These are very well maintained. Body is in super good condition. Very few dents or scratches to be seen. It's got a rear backup camera. Like a couple of minor, real tiny little ones in the back tailgate. You can kind of see. Otherwise though, very clean. Aluminum wheels, keyless entry, blind spot, side mirrors that are heated. It's got 75,000 miles, factory warranty until next May 2019, or 100,000 miles on the powertrain. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, nice clean dark interior. Power driver's seat, tilt and telescoping steering wheel, which means it goes up and down, in and out. You got automatic headlights, cruise control, steering wheel stereo controls with hands-free Bluetooth. You got your backup camera and radio that show up here. AM/FM stereo with CD player. You've got auxiliary inputs for MP3 as well. Heat and air conditioning, automatic transmission, StabiliTrak traction control and stability control program. Side impact and side curtain airbags for first and second row. Nice big rear seat. A seat you can take and move forward and back. You can also fold these seats down. It's a 60/40 split folding seat, which means you can fold the one side, the other, or both down at the same time. Lots of room back here. And you got your backup camera. Now you can see pictures and pricing information on our website, hometownwausau.com. We offer easy no money down financing options, great interest rates. Feel free to give us a call at 715-675-1000. We're open till 6 o'clock all week until 2 o'clock on Saturday. Thanks for watching.